Whether you run a small one-chair salon in a quiet town or manage multiple busy branches in a big city, our Salon app can help you attract more customers, keep them coming back, and manage your business with ease. In this video, we'll walk you through the powerful features we offer, from the customer app to the owner app to the admin panel, so you can see exactly how our solution can transform your salon operations. Whether your salon is in New York, Paris, Sydney, or Mumbai, going digital opens new possibilities. A salon app means customers can book anytime without waiting in line or making endless calls. You can plan your day better, fill empty slots faster, and make the most of your staff and resources. To make all of this possible, our Salon app is designed with 3 connected interfaces, each built for a specific role in your business. The user app for your customers, the partner app for salon owners and staff, and the admin panel for complete business control. Let's take a closer look. Let's start with the user app. When a customer opens the Salon app, they start at the login screen. Here, they can sign in to access all the features. Once logged in, they arrive at the home screen. At the top, the app displays their current location followed by a set of service categories: hair, nails, facial, massage, makeup, and eyebrows. Right below, there's a section for special offers and a showcase of featured salons they might want to explore. At the bottom of the screen, the navigation menu gives quick access to home, search, bookings, and profile. If a customer taps on a specific salon, its detailed page opens. Here they can see the services offered by that salon, the address with directions, working hours, contact details, reviews, and any extra information the salon has provided. From this, they can also start the booking process. Booking is simple. First, they choose one or more services they want. Next, they can select a preferred stylist, choose the appointment date, and pick from the available time slots. Once the details are set, they move to checkout. Here, they can apply a coupon code if they have one, and pay using options like credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. As soon as the payment is completed, the booking is confirmed instantly. In the booking section, customers can see all their upcoming appointments as well as past bookings that have been completed. For upcoming bookings, they can reschedule, cancel, or view full details. The search option lets them find salons by name or location and see which ones are currently open. Finally, the profile section holds all personal information: name, contact details, total bookings made, and membership details. Customers can view their reward points, check their favorite salons, explore Plus member plans, manage payment methods and addresses, view rewards and offers, receive notifications, and access help and support. With all these features, the user app makes booking and managing salon visits easy, fast, and convenient. The partner app is designed for salon owners and staff to manage their business with ease. Once the partner logs in, they arrive at the dashboard. Here, they can instantly see important business metrics, daily earnings, total monthly clients, average customer ratings, and a summary of bookings. Today's appointments are displayed in a clear list, and there are quick action buttons for adding a new service or viewing the calendar. From the bottom navigation panel, partners can access the booking section. Bookings are organized in 3 categories: pending, confirmed, and completed. Pending bookings are those where payments has been made, but the salon has not yet accepted the appointment. Confirmed bookings are both paid and approved by the salon. Completed bookings are past appointments that have already taken place. The services section allows partners to manage their offerings. They can view all active services or filter by category: hair, skincare, nails, or brows. Adding a new service is simple. Set the name, category, price, and duration, and it will be updated in the app for customers to see. In the calendar section, partners can view daily appointments, see which ones are approved, and check bookings for upcoming dates. This makes it easy to plan ahead and allocate staff efficiently. The profile section displays the salon's business profile, including the owner's name, business age, location, contact number, and email address. A short business overview is also included. From here, partners can also access key settings, notifications, business hours, pricing and packages, payment settings, privacy and security, help and support, and the option to upgrade to a premium plan. There's also a sign-out option for ending the session. With these tools, the Partner app gives salon owners and staff everything they need to manage appointments, track performance, and keep services updated, all from one easy-to-use interface. Finally, we have the admin panel, the control center that brings everything together, giving you complete oversight of your entire salon business. The first thing you see here is the dashboard. This is the most powerful view in the system, showing your total revenue, active users, total bookings, and the number of partner salons. You can track revenue details, booking trends, recent bookings, quick actions, pending approvals, and even overall system status, all in one place. Next is user management, where all customer accounts can be viewed and managed from one location. Here, you can see total users, active users, new registrations, and premium members, along with more detailed insights. Then we have salon management, which displays all registered salons, their active or pending approval status, average ratings, and key business data. You can view each salon's detail, including ID, name, contact information, services, ratings, and revenue status. Salons can be filtered by active, pending, or suspended, and you can also add new salons directly from this section. Service categories allow you to manage and organize all service types offered across salons in the system. Booking management gives you control over all customer appointments, making it easy to review, update, or resolve any booking issues. Payments and commission handles all financial transactions, including commission structures and payout to partner salons. Reports and analytics provide deeper insights into business performance, customer trends, and operational data to guide decision-making. And finally, content management lets you update and manage the visual and informational content shown in the app. With all these tools, the admin panel ensures that every aspect of your salon network runs smoothly, efficiently, and in a complete sync. At Code Brew Labs, we create custom salon apps tailored to your business. We build user-friendly, reliable, and scalable solutions. And when your app is complete, you'll have full ownership of the source code and all intellectual property. If you're ready to take your salon business digital, click the link in the description and visit our website. Fill out a quick form and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us. We'll answer your questions and show you exactly how our solution can work for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It helps more people discover our content. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.